Gal, and today we are at World Market, and the reason why we're at World Market is because we're premiering our new wholesale only brand, Vintage Suds and Gratitude candles. So let me tell you guys all about it and show you my booth. Welcome to my booth. Yes, this is my booth at the Las Vegas Market Trade Show. And we have been working so hard on our own wholesale brand. So here it is. I'm going to show you guys. Woo! So we have our own brand of our soaps, and our name is Vintage Suds Soapery. And I know I'm the soap gal, and I've been doing private label for a long time, but I felt like it was time to have my own wholesale brand, so that's what I've been working on. So let me show you our booth and our elements of our booth, because I'm the soap gal and I want to teach you guys. So what I chose to do is have different collections of soap. So to start with, we have our Indulge collection, and in our Indulge collection it is a coconut and palm oil free soap, and it's made with olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba, and castor, and essential oils and clays, so it's very indulgent. Then it goes into our goat milk line, so we have 4 cents of all natural bars of goat's milk, and then from there it goes into our earth blends. So in our earth blends we have calendula and Dead Sea mud and rose water, and then we end it all with our coconut cream. So coconut cream is kind of our vegan line of our goat milk soap. So that's what we've been working on, is our premiere at this trade show. So I'm going to go over our booth and why we chose what we did. We decided we wanted to go with very, very clean lines. So our booth is very clean. Our soap labeling is very simple. We just bought a normal standard box of soap, cut the top off, got a label, and then now we're able to display it this way or put it this way. So it's really easy for merchandising. Our stand is just slat boards, and you know, you can never go wrong with drums. And then for our logo is very simple, and then our happy place. You know, all of us soap makers, this really is my happy place, and you know that. So I just wanted to share with you what the soap gal's been doing, and I'm going to go all into detail with you guys. If you want me to go into detail, if you don't, that's fine. But I want to show you guys how to create a line sheet, how to create an order form. I want you girls to get there, and guys. So if you're interested in that, just let me know in the comments if you'd like for me to go over that. Otherwise I won't, but I want you to know what we've been up to. We're now wholesaling. I'm not retailing. We're only selling to stores and places and allowing them to purchase. And then also, let me show you what else we do. My husband and I, we also make candles. So, and our candle company is Gratitude. So with Gratitude Candle Company, it's soy wax, and I mix the fragrances between the soap and the candles, and we're also showing Gratitude and Vintage Suds. And if you want to know how our market is, so far it's been 2 days. This is Monday, we still have Tuesday, and you know what? It's been amazing! I just can't wait for you guys to find our soaps in all these amazing stores. I can't tell you what's going on yet, but OMG! You girls, I can't wait till you can get here. So if you would like to know more, just let me know, but I'll let you know how the show is afterwards. But I wanted to let everyone know that we are in Las Vegas Market premiering our wholesale brand, Vintage Suds and Gratitude Candles. Thank you for all your support and love.